Yes, Mr. Moreri again, presenting you a mental solution to equations. Now we have equations like this. X plus 3 equals 10. What number minus 3 equals 10? What number plus 50 equals 100? What number minus 150 equals 50? 4 t's plus 3 equals 10. You see, I'm reading these things as word numbers. So they are not letters, they are not boxes, they are not question marks, they are not letter X. These are a number X. This is a placeholder for your answer, right? Now, let's move on to our mental picture. If you see the question, you can see the answer even before you use the method your teacher showed you. I don't know, whatever method you're using. So this is a number, add 3, get 10. Now I just do the opposite. I start from the 10. I have 10. So add 3, I go back. I take away. What's the opposite of add? Is take away. I take 10, take away 3. What do I get? 7. So what's my x? 7. It's like having a balance. And this is a balance. This is a number here. I don't know the number. I add 3 and I get 10. So what is this number that will make both sides to balance evenly? That number is 7, right? We go to the next. I have a number, remove 3, get 10. So what's the opposite of remove 3 is add 3. So I get 10, add 3. So what's that number? 13. So again, what's this number? I remove 3 from this number to get 10 and balance. So what is this number that I should remove 3? It should be 13. 13, remove 3, you have 10 this way, 10 that way, then we're balanced. Equation, meaning that we equate both sides. Both sides have to balance out evenly, okay? Then we get to the next, 3x equals 12. What is 3x equals 12? Now, you just read this letter as 3x, but this is plural, so 3x's. Actually, 3x means x, x, x. So these are 3 x's. The plural of x is x's. If it was t, I would say 3 t's. If it's m here as a placeholder for the number, so 3 multiplied by what number? So I get a number, multiply by 3, I get 12. So what's the reverse of multiply by 3? Is divide by 3. So get 12, divide by 3. So what's the answer? 4. So x here is 4. So that's 4, 4, 4. Will balance 12 this way. All right. So again, when you do your multiplication table, 3 times 1 just means 3 ones. 3 times 2 means 3 twos. So that's why we write 3 x's. We don't put multiplication again in the middle. So we just say 3 x's. Like 3 twos, 3 threes, 3 eights, 3 nines, 3 tens. All right. Learn to do multiplication like that. Most often or oftentimes, our mathematics suffers because our English is not really on point. Now we go to the next. It says take a number, divide it by 3, and you get 2. So what's the reverse? You got 2, multiply it by 3, you get 6. So that number was 6. So again, what do we mean by take a number and divide it by 3? So you take a third of that number. A third of that number should be equal to, so what is that number? Is 6. So you see, if you take 6, you divide 6 into 3 equal parts. So each part is called a third. A third of 6 is 2, as demonstrated here. Now, what we're doing is to solve without even doing the steps that your teacher showed you, because a lot of you are making a lot of mistakes. So let's take a revision here. Okay, so here I have a number, divide by 3 and add 4, I got 7. So what do I do to 7? Remove the 4, multiply by 3. So 7 remove 4, I got 3, then 3 multiplied by 3, I got 9. So that's my original number was 9, all right? So here, yeah, it's tricky. You say, teacher, what do we do? Always start with your number. So I got a number, and then I divide it by 3. I negate it. So negate this number. And this 4 is what? We are adding the 4 on this side. So 4 is like we're adding. 4 belongs to this side, all right? So another person will just take this thing and rearrange it like this. So here, take a number, divide by 3, and negate it. Now, what's the opposite of negate? The opposite of negate is also negate. Okay. This is easy. Okay, so what do we do? First, you say take a number, divide by 3, then negate what you have, and then add 4. So what do? We take that number, that is 2, and we take away 4, so we got negative 2. And then we negate negative 2, what do we have? Positive 2. And then we multiply positive 2 by 3, because here we're dividing, and what do we have? 6. So this number is 6. Now look at it. If we do 6 on 3, we get 2. We negate negative 2 plus 4 is like 4 minus 2. The answer is 2. All right. So that is Murari in a nutshell. We innovate a lot of mathematics over here. Now, goodbye, and I'll see you in the next one. Remember to